Everyone has the same amount of time, but your productivity is directly proportional on how you spend that time. That how part will come from the techniques, tools, and technology you use to manage your time. Hi, my name is Shafqat Ali, and I run productivity workshops on different topics. And this one I'm going to share with you the newly course which we being developed on 3D time management. That includes on the techniques, the technologies, and the energy. Basically, when you go for a different courses about time management, they primarily focus on managing your tasks, where you put them, how do you track them. They forget about the newly technology available, which can not only automate your lot of tasks, but also they can save you a lot of time now, especially the inclusion of AI tools in a work placement. You can save way more than others if you deploy those tools and techniques in your day-to-day work. And the last and third one, which is very important, people ignore, is your energy level. Doesn't matter how much you are equipped with the techniques and tools and technologies. If you are not well enough, your energy is not high, you're not feeling good about what you're doing, you're not enjoying it, then your productivity will not go up. So we'll also include those things, how you can keep your body, mind, and emotions on a pleasant level so you can keep going and enjoy your work. The course will be based on 3 sessions, spanned on 3 weeks. So in the first week, when you come, you learn about few things to do. You have a full week to apply, because everybody is different, their work is different, their lifestyle is different, and they are different human beings. You can't just give one thing and say all use the same. It won't work. So when you come back, you share your experience and say what worked for you, and then based on that, we give you second session where you take it to the next level. In the third session, we will be talking about all the energy thing, and as I said, all the things will be hands-on experience rather than information, and a lot of information but no practical experience. So please, if you are interested, drop your details in the form below. If you also have any question about the course, you can also put it into the comments and question portion of the form, and whenever this course will be available, we will email to you, and if it suits your need, we'll see you there.